Good morning, dear children. This is your science teacher. Now open your science textbook and open page number 26. So, dear children, as you know that we have already completed our lesson number 5, that is separation of substances. As you know that कि हमने पहले separation of substances complete किया, that is our lesson number 5. और आज हम पढ़ेंगे lesson number 4, that is sorting materials into group. So, dear children, in this lesson, first point number 4.1, objects around us. Objects around us. We have seen that our food and clothes have so much variety in them. Not just food and clothes, there is such a vast variety of objects everywhere. You can see, we see around us a chair, a bullock cart, and a cycle, cooking utensils, books, clothes, toys, water, stones, and many other objects. So all these objects have different shapes and different colors and different uses also. Okay, so look around and identify the objects that are round in shape. Some are in round in shape, some are in square in shape, some are in triangle in shapes. Okay, so these kind of things you can find out in your surroundings. So our list may include a rubber ball, a football, and a glass marble. If you include objects that are nearly round, our list could be also include objects like apple, oranges, and some earthen pitchers. And suppose we are looking for objects that are edible, so maybe we might include all the items that we have listed in table number 1.1 and 1.2 and 1.3 in chapter number 1. Okay, so we might also find that some of those round shape objects we just listed out are also in these groups. Okay, so that means according to that we have to just separate the things. For example, अगर आपके पास बहुत सारी क्लोथ्स है, जैसे वार्म क्लोथ्स है, कॉटन क्लोथ्स है, सिल्क क्लोथ्स है, एंड वुलन, और भी जैसे आप लेदर कोट्स ले लो, रेन कोट्स ले लो, ठीक है। तो आप अगर एक ही जगह पे सारी चीज़ें रखेंगे, एक ही अलमारी में, एक ही कबर्ड में, एक ही कंपार्टमेंट में सारी चीज़ें रखेंगे तो बहुत कन्फ्यूजन हो जाएगा। ओके, सो आप क्या करोगे, उसको सॉर्ट करोगे, यानी कि आपके जितने भी वार्म वेयर्स है, विंटर वेयर्स है, उनको अलग रखोगे। जो बाहर जाने के क्लोथ्स है आप अलग रखते होंगे, घर में पहनने के क्लोथ्स जो है उसको अलग कर रखते हैं। सो एज पर योर नीड, what you have to just do, you have to just separate the clothes. Okay, so that means the sorting of materials plays important role in our life, day to day life. So and let us say we wish to make a group of objects that are made of plastics, buckets, lunch boxes, toys, water containers, pipes, and many such objects. So may find a place in this group. So there are so many ways to group objects. In the above examples, we have grouped objects that on the basis of their shapes or the materials they are made from. ठीक है, यानी कि अगर आपके पास बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, ठीक है, उसको अगर आपको सॉर्ट करना है तो आप अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर मटेरियल, अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर शेप्स, आप उसको क्या कर सकते हो, उसको सेपरेट कर सकते हो। फॉर एग्जांपल, आपके पास बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, उसमें आप क्या करोगे, जो भी चीज़ें मेटल की बनी है उसको अलग करोगे, जो भी चीज़ें रबर की बनी है उसको अलग करोगे, यानी कि एज पर देयर मटेरियल्स आप उनको, इन चीज़ों को अलग कर रहे हो। अगर आपको वैसे नहीं करना है तो आप एज पर देयर शेप भी अलग कर सकते हो। जो राउंड शेप की चीज़ें हैं उनको अलग रखिए, जो स्क्वायर शेप की चीज़ें हैं उनको अलग रखिए। तो एज पर देयर शेप यू कैन ऑल्सो divide that particular materials. Okay, so all the objects around us are made of one or more materials. So these materials may be glass, metal, plastic, wood, cotton, paper, okay, and then mud or soil. So can you think of more examples of material? You can also think various kind of materials, that is maybe a paper, and you can see the rayon, nylon, and any kind of materials, including leather, or you can see the, you can say the velvet. So all these kind of materials you can see in your surroundings. So here they have given one activity. So what is in the activity? Let us collect as many objects as possible from around us. Each of us could get some everyday objects from home, and we could also collect some objects from the classroom, okay, or from our outside the school. So what will we have in our collection? सो आपको क्या करना है, बहुत सारा कलेक्शन आपके पास जमा करना है बहुत सारी चीज़ों का, जिसमें वेराइटी ऑफ चीज़ें होनी चाहिए. तो हमने यहाँ पे फ़िलहाल कौन सी चीज़ें कलेक्ट की है? वी हैव कलेक्टेड चॉक, पेंसिल, notebook, rubber, duster, a hammer, nail, soap, spoke of a wheel, bat, then matchbox, salt, potato. We can also list objects that we can think of. आप बहुत सारी चीज़ें भी उसमें इंक्लूड कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे सिर्फ कुछ चीज़ें आपको दी है. But cannot bring the classroom. Okay, for example, wall, trees, doors, tractors, road. तो ये सारी चीज़ें भी अपने सराउंडिंग्स में होती है, पर आप उसको ब्रिंग कर सकते हो, आप उसको लेके आ सकते हो नहीं. ओके, दैट मीन्स जो भी चीज़ें आप ले सकते हो, कलेक्ट कर सकते हो, उनको ही आपको कलेक्ट करना है. देन सेपरेट ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट्स फ्रॉम दिस कलेक्शन that they are made from paper or wood. So that means according to the materials used, according to the materials used, you can separate the things, you can separate the object. One group has the objects that are made from paper और wood. ओके, आपको ग्रुप्स बनाने हैं, एक में आपको पेपर ऑब्जेक्ट्स रखने हैं या फिर वुड ऑब्जेक्ट्स रखने हैं. while the other group has the objects they are not made of these materials. Okay, similarly we could separate things that are used for preparing food. So in this kind of you can easily separate the things. So let us be a little more systematic. ओके अभी ये तो हुआ अपने वुडन और पेपर की चीज़ें अलग रखी, बाकी चीज़ें अलग रखी. तो उसको और सिस्टमेटिक तरीके से अपन कर सकते हैं. दैट इज़ लेट इस बी अ लिटिल मोर सिस्टमेटिक. सो लिस्ट ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट कलेक्टेड इन अ टेबल 4.1. एंड ये जो है यहाँ पे 4.1 टेबल दिया है, उसमें आप कलेक्शन जो भी आपने किया है उस ऑब्जेक्ट के नाम लिखिए एंड ट्राई टू आइडेंटिफाई द मटेरियल्स दैट ईच वन मेड ऑफ. ओके, आपको हर एक के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन लिखनी है. दैट मीन्स देयर मटेरियल. And it would be fun to make this large table. Okay, collect information about as many objects as possible. It may seem difficult to find it seems difficult to find out the materials out of which some of these objects are made. In such cases discuss with your friends. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि पर्टिकुलर मटेरियल कौन सा है, तो you can discuss with your friends, your teacher and parents also to identify the materials. So dear children, in this type you have to do this activity. So dear children, I hope you understand this activity. What you have to just do, you have to just collect all the materials you have given here, or you can also take other materials also, like purses, bags, compost box, comb, and flowers, and mobile phones or charger, or you can put balloons, okay, agarbatti pouch or bottles, okay, any cream powder. Okay, so that's all this kind of material. You can also use utensils like spoon, little pots and little bowls. Okay, and this kind of material you have to just collect and separate it out according to their material used. Okay, so dear children, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand this video. If you have any problem regarding to this video, you can ask me anytime. So for today, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.